inside my bones, a battlefield beneath my skin, where demons whisper in the dark, bow down and let us in. But I feel your fury rising, a holy storm inside my veins. You flip the tables in my soul and burn the idols in the flame. This is the purge, this is the fight. Expose the shadows, bring them to light. Tear down the altars, rip them from my chest. Crush every stronghold I built in my flesh. Burn down the idols, leave nothing to stand. Only your fire, God, only your fire, God. Reign in this man, reign in this man. I hear the clash of swords within, your spirit roaring like a lion. No compromise, no halfway faith, it's time for every lie to die. You're ripping out corruption.